Instant noodles are a quick and easy meal that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. However, if you're tired of the basic preparation method and want to take your instant noodle game to the next level, this video is for you. Step 1. Choosing the right noodles. The first step to cooking instant noodles like a pro is to choose the right type of noodles. There are many varieties of instant noodles available in the market, including ramen, udon, soba, and more. Each type of noodle has a different texture and flavor, so choose one that you like the most. Step 2. Boiling the water. The next step is to boil the water. Fill a pot with enough water to cover the noodles and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling, add the seasoning packet and stir it in. This will help to infuse the flavor into the water. Step 3. Cooking the noodles. Now, it's time to add the noodles to the seasoned boiling water. Be sure to break them apart before adding them to the pot. Once the noodles are in the water, stir them gently to prevent them from sticking together. Cook the noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are tender but still firm to the bite. Step 4. Adding vegetables and protein. To take your instant noodles to the next level, you can add some vegetables and protein. You can add sliced carrots, bell peppers, mushrooms, and more to the pot. For protein, you can add sliced chicken, beef, tofu, or an egg. Let the vegetables and protein cook for about a minute or 2. Step 5. Plating and garnishing. Once everything is cooked, it's time to plate your instant noodles. You can garnish your noodles with some chopped scallions, cilantro, or sesame seeds. You can also drizzle some soy sauce or hot sauce on top for added flavor. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to cook instant noodles like a pro. With just a few simple steps, you can take your instant noodles to the next level and enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.